Hey there, and thanks so much for your interest in our book, the Booked Solid, the Digital Marketing Blueprint for Moving Companies. This book was written specifically for moving company owners who want a clear, proven system for generating more leads, booking more moves, and building a predictable flow of business without relying on referrals alone. Here's how it works. If you click the button over here next to this video, you'll be taken to a short form. And once you fill this out, we'll know exactly where we can ship a copy of the book. Now, one important note, this offer is only available to qualified moving companies. We can't ship this out to everybody. On the form, you're going to see a couple of quick questions about your business, including revenue. Just to make sure if you qualify, we'll send you a free hard copy of the Booked Solid directly to your door. If you'd rather start reading right away, the link will also send you to Amazon. You can purchase it yourself, the hard copy, or you can download a ebook, Amazon Kindle, just for a couple dollars. Either way, this book breaks down exactly how moving companies are using websites, SEO, ads, that could be Facebook, pay-per-click, and staying booked all year round. So go ahead, click the button, fill out the form, and if you qualify, we will get a copy on the way. Now, this is pretty cool. It's got all kinds of really great resources. I've even got a toolkit in there. So thanks again for your interest. I think you're going to love it, and you're going to get a ton of value from it. So good luck, and I hope to talk to you soon.